In this video, I'll show you how to install TexMod and use texture mods on any PC game. For this tutorial, I'm using this mod. Select the download option and wait for 10 seconds. Select the download now option and wait for this download done. After the download done, select this folder icon. Right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. And then just close stuff here. Right click on the game icon on the desktop and select open file location. Just drag and drop all these files into your game folder. Replace the file in the destination and select do this and select continue. And now right click on the textmod.exe and select run as administrator and select yes. Select this big folder icon and navigate to the game folder and select speed.exe and select open. Select the small folder icon and select browse. Navigate to the game folder and scroll down and select this .tpf and select open option and select run option, and you just need to wait for at least 3 minutes. Once you are in game, just go to options and go to graphics settings and set every settings to max and then get into the game. I will show you guys before and after comparison. You can easily compare two of this game with mod and without mod. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.